Five little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. All five ducklings came running back. Meadow, meadow. Four ducklings returned.
Four little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but only four came waddling back. Meadow, meadow.
Three ducklings splash. Three little ducks jumped in the stream. Bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. Only three ducklings came back, get a Joe.
Meadow, meadow. Two ducklings roam. Two little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called, quack, 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 quack. Only two ducklings came back at her toe. Meadow, meadow.
One duckling lost. One little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called, quack, 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 but just one duckling found the way back.
Meadow, meadow. No ducklings left. No little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called, quack, 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 and all five ducklings came running back. Baby do Joe, 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 Joe.
Happy family dance. Mother duck smiled, quack, quack, hooray. All five ducklings back to stay. They splashed and played in the shiny stream, happily dancing in a sunny gleam.
Bye.